Morning people, today we're planting garlic. It's the right time of year to put your garlic in. As everything else, your summer crops start dying off, it's a good time to start taking out and put garlic in. Garlic is a good grower through the winter, so if you've got winter months coming, garlic is a good thing. Right, what I advise for planting of garlic, what we do is we plant 15 centimeters apart. So between each line we're 15 centimeters apart on our garlic, and what we do is we plant 20 centimeters. You can see we've got a measure. We've already cut into that 11 centimeters. So your planting should be from 10 to 15 centimeter depth. We've settled on 11 centimeters, so 20 centimeter. You just draw your line right through your bed and plant it in, make your holes 20, 40, and so on. So you just open up all the holes to start with. So as you can see, we finished opening our holes. As I mentioned, 15 centimeters apart and 20 centimeters width. Okay guys, as you've seen from our second program, if you're new to our channel, we plant in raised beds. We build our own raised beds. We fill the bottom of our raised bed up with organic material. We fill it up with cardboard. A lot of cardboard goes into this, which is a good thing. Secondly, we take compost and we put it in with compost and then soil and then mix it together, and then on top of it we put soil. Now for our garlic, what we're going to put for our garlic is this product that we get from Protec. It is peat moss. So what happens with this, it's a mixture of limestone and moss. So moss that grows on the walls, ordinary moss, the very, very good to get the garlic going originally. So we got this product from Protec, peat moss, very, very good product, organic. For those who want to take to organic, this is the products that you're using. Peat moss, very good to start off your garlic with, and really organic. But so with your raised beds, you've got your cardboard at the bottom, you've got your compost, you've got your soil, and then just top it off with a bit of peat moss and you're in business. This will give you good garlic. Okay people, this is our garlic seed. Basically all your garlic seed is a clove, and you take the clove and you break down the housing and you can get the seed. But we get our seed from I know a guy on the garlic seeds. We get our garlic seed from the growers, Garlic Growers Association in Pretoria. Now what happens with this seed is it's already been dampened before you get it. So your growth out of the seed, once you plant seed like this, you're actually saving in about 3 weeks in the growth, because it's already been dampened. And because it's already been dampened, while it's still a seed like this, you can put this in and it's already got growth within the inside. Some of them are even sprouting. I'll take one and I'll just show you an example. If I break it, hopefully I can see it. Yeah, you can see this one. If you zoom into it, you can see that this is actually starting to sprout. So by the time I'm planting this, I've already achieved 2-3 weeks worth of growth because the sprouting is there. So yes, you can plant your own from seed, but advisable, go to the Garlic Growers Association of your country. Wherever you are, there's a Garlic Growers Association, and get some garlic seed that's already been damply planted and damp all the way, so it will sprout quicker and give you better results. We'll just put that for compost. We will start off by planting in our house here. Okay, people, what we're going to do is you're going to take your garlic seed, and what you want to do is you want to take it, and your pointy side, your rocket side, must face the top, and this, the bottom of the housing, the bottom of the garlic must face the bottom. So the roots are going to form out of this, and from here it's going to come out with its root. So the pointy side upwards, and the rougher side, shall we say, that side over there is going to go towards the bottom of it. You've already pre-opened your holes, 15 by 20, so now it's just a matter of taking your seed, planting your seed right down into your holes. As I say, pointy side up, and away you go. Pointy side to the top, that to the bottom. Once you've opened your holes, you've planted, your spacing's right, your seeds are in. What we do is we take a bit of water, just a little bit of water, and just pour it on the side like that into the hole, softly and gently, so it can start germinating. Just softly, a little bit of water. You don't want to move the seed, you don't want to hurt the seed. You're actually just watering on the sand, and you're letting it run in. Just a little bit, and let it just start its process off from that. So as you can see, I'm not watering into the hole, I'm watering on the side of the hole, and I'm letting it run down, water and soil. Give it a nice, so it can start germinating. It's happy, comfortable in its bed, and you will see in a few months' time we'll have beautiful, beautiful garlic coming out of here. Okay guys, so we've wet next to the thing. You can see how it's nicely formed the soil that it's gone in it. So what we start doing now is we start closing it up, and where it was we actually compress it so we can get soil all around it, so it's happy in its new little house and ready to grow. So we just spread the soil out and compress it downwards. Spread it, cover it, and compress it. It's nice, it's moist, it's damp. What I advise is you do 3 lines at a time, so you know more or less where you are. Compress downwards, spread your soil out, and then you take this peat moss and we just sprinkle our peat moss over it nicely. Look how nice and rich that is. That is good food. That is very, very good food for the garlic to come. So use your peat moss, spread out, and then put your peat moss, once you've compressed, put your peat moss on it, and then start working your next 3 lines. Compress, get the soil right, compress it, get the soil right, compress it, soil right, compress. That shouldn't be in there, that will hinder growth. If you've got anything in there that's going to hinder growth, take it out, because you don't want to make your seed compete against anything. It must be nice soft ground that it's competing against, that it can easily form its housing and grow up to be a nice strong plant, a nice stronger root. Actually your garlic is a root. We're not really interested in the above soil in the plant. The wholesome goodness of a garlic is obviously the root. So once we've done that, we take our pot moss and just lightly sprinkle it to the top. And ready to go. As I say, 3 lines at a time. Half an hour after you finish planting everything, come back, take a little bit of water, and just with your hand, just lightly sprinkle. Lightly sprinkle, so it's nice and damp. You can see more or less where you've planted, and just sprinkle a bit more water over it. But as I say, give it about an hour, half an hour to an hour, just to set in, and then come with your water, and then just put water on top of it. Let it just soak in. And just lightly sprinkle. Okay guys, this is a 2-week growth. What we've done here is at 2 weeks we've added in a bit of tobacco dust. Also purely organic, we've added in a bit of tobacco dust onto its 2-week growth. Okay, that's there for me. Thanks, love. Thank you so much, people, for viewing and watching. Hope it was educational. Hope you learned something. And yeah, like I said, follow me, I'll show you the money. By planting this garlic, 6 months, it will be a good harvest and a good cash crop coming in. So, hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. I'll keep you posted on the growth. We're on 2nd week, going 3rd and 4th week now to some of our plants. I'll show you what other fertilizers to use, how to care for it as we go on. But hope you learned something. Enjoy. Please like, subscribe, and thanks for the views, guys, and thanks for taking the time to watch us. Please ring the bell for future notifications as well, and leave a comment. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, people. Much appreciated.